Stop searching for fake jawline tricks, because today I'll show you real, science-backed changes that actually improve your face structure. First, tongue posture. Not extreme mewing, not pushing your palate. Just keeping the entire tongue gently resting on the roof of your mouth. This doesn't magically grow your jaw, but it improves facial posture, lifts the midface slightly, and makes your jawline appear cleaner over time. Next, your jawline is heavily influenced by fat distribution. Even a small drop in body fat can make your jaw look instantly sharper. You don't need to be shredded. Just stay active, keep your neck strong, and maintain a healthy level of body fat so your jawline stays visible. Another important factor is neck and head posture. A lot of guys look like they have no jawline because their head sits forward. When your chin tucks slightly and your spine aligns, your jaw projects forward naturally, and your face looks more balanced. Your jaw muscles also respond to real chewing resistance, not gum. Chewing foods like carrots, apples, and nuts engages your masseter muscles more effectively. This builds natural muscle tone over months. It's slow, steady, and completely safe. Finally, lifestyle habits quietly shape your face over time. Good sleep reduces puffiness. Nasal breathing helps facial symmetry. Lower salt intake decreases bloating. And proper hydration keeps the skin tighter and more defined. These simple habits create real changes that no fake jawline hack can match. If you want part 2 or a full guide on improving your jawline naturally, comment jawline below.